Okay, we are at the chief elections office. Polling starts in about 10 minutes.
So
how do you handle it? What is happening? Can you explain?
So we have two systems to monitor the election event. So one is Polestar, which will give you updates of each and every what is the polling station in each and every constituency, 2 hourly updates. Then we have to track what is happening. The live stream from each and every polling station is coming to us. So you can see at a time we can track 16 polling stations. So as assembly wise, the district wise, we can see how the polling station activities are going on, that too live. Even if there are certain areas which are in shadow areas, so that process we are recording offline, so that the entire feed will be given to the election office once the process, which starts at 7 o'clock to the end of the polls when the EVMs are sealed. The entire process will be captured either offline, and we are getting around 78% online. So 78% of the polling stations are right now online.
Okay.
So that the same way we'll be tracking Polestar, our new application for getting 2 hourly updates of how is the what is the trend in polling right in each and every polling station.
Okay.
So at 9 o'clock, what is the polling percentage? At 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Also, we'll be getting the queue length. At 1 hourly updates, we'll be getting how many people are standing in the queue at each polling station.
This is for the first time? I don't think this was there before. Where you can track how many people are there.
There was a system for PMS system wherein they used to send us messages, but there were time lags for the responses that we used to get. Now we are initiating IVRS calls to BLOs and getting interactive messages as on when basis.
Okay.
So we are getting instant responses from BLOs. What is the current status at the polling station?
Also, will this be linked to the police force or to anything? So suppose you also
police are also tracking the flying squads. That is going on for 1 month now.
Okay.
So all around 82 vehicles are GPS. They are tracked by GPS.
Okay.
So what is the location of the flying squad? We can get it from the control room as well. DO office are also monitoring. RO office are monitoring, and this is the control room at the Altino CEO office.
Okay.
We have 2 control rooms set up. One is in South Goa, one is in North Goa. So they are also monitoring all this things.
But this feed here is for all the 40 constituencies.
Yes, even DOs also, both the DO offices for 40.
But so here you will focus more on the north, is it?
No, it's the same.
Okay, it's the same.
What we are getting the same views are being shown at the DO offices as well as the RO CEO office.
CEO office. All right.
The response time for Polestar is more than 90-95%. Which was for SMS it was 80%.